پذیرود است. دیگر روزی به اتفاق وقتی در کمپ باران ساعتهای 5:30 بجه یا بود. من ما را خواسته بود اینجا دیگه با تلیفون های ما جواب دادن. همکارش بدون که بشکر کنیم. دیگه خواست در جوی تا شدیم ما چه بگیم کارتای بارا نشان میدادیم. اما ریکه باندچاری که با بارا روان کردن سرتیفیکتاری که روان کردن از بخش خود امریکا از بخش خود سفارت کلی گزی‌ها رو ما برش نشان دادیم. بازم به جواب دادیم.
I've also ordered my commanders to develop operational plans to strike ISIS-K assets, leadership, and facilities. We will respond with force and precision at our time, at the place we choose, in the moment of our choosing.
When I was in government, I very much thought that the U.S. had too many expectations about what it could achieve in Afghanistan. I don't think everybody was so naive to believe that we were going to achieve transformation, but I do think people did believe in the mission. From a strategic perspective, it's not a good end game for this 20-year war on terrorism.